In the second week of April 2023, the discount supermarket Aldi had finally some new Matchbox 2023 5-packs on sale. So these discount stores do not have a permanent toy assortment. They get a batch of these, and once they're gone, they're gone. So I rushed to my closest Aldi supermarket, which is very close by, and I was lucky enough to find 11 different new 2023 5-pack releases and one repeat from 2021, which is the only one I was missing from the 2021 5-pack, so I can finally do that video. So this is the City Adventure 2. Unfortunately, the price has gone up to €8, so that's €1.60 per car. That is, quite a lot actually for a 5-pack, because you don't get to choose what cars are in there. You just have to go with the flow of what they are offering you. So that is pretty expensive, and that's also the reason I think why many other discount stores don't carry the 5-packs anymore. So the previous time I bought 5-packs was also at Aldi in September of 2022. So that's at that time, that was 7 months earlier. So Lidl has had hardly any Matchbox 5-packs, the little discount supermarket, I mean. Kruidvat also hasn't had them in ages. So it's pretty bad, and they're becoming hard to come by. I'm still missing 3 of the 2022 5-packs. Some of those are re-released in 2023 with the 70th logo on there, like this one has here. So I might be able to pick those up, but it's become pretty difficult to get a hold of affordable Matchbox 5-packs. Anyway, we start with 2023 5-packs. First one here, Dirty Mothers. This has all repeats in it. So the first one here is the 2005 Jeep Gladiator. It also says it here on the side, the name of the vehicle. This is a repeat from the 2019 No Road, No Problem 5-pack. So I already have that one, as you can see. It is exactly the same. Second one is the Hummer H3. This is a repeat of a 2009 mainline, and that I also already have. So no clear coat on both of them. Would have been nice if this one had gotten a clear coat, so it would be shiny. At least that would be a difference, but it's just exactly the same. Next one is the 1989 Jeep Wagoneer. And this nice blue with the wood grain on the side. This was from the 2020 MBX Countryside 5-pack. Again, repeat. Then we get the 2007 Honda Ridgeline, which was a 2018 mainline. And this one was actually the clean version of the 2007 10-pack release, which had muddy tires and mud splatters on the side, but the same deco. And then the last one, that's the only one I did not have already. That's the Jeep Rescue Concept. This was a 2007 mainline, but this one has different wheels. So if you have that one from back in the day, at least you get different wheels. But other than that, this is a pretty lame 5-pack. Next up is the MBX European Highways with, again, all repeats in there. This is the 2007 Audi R8. This was a 2010 mainline. I don't have it, so that's kind of a good thing, I guess. The 2010 mainline had a variation on this blade here that was either flat black or gloss black. I don't know if that's the case on the 5-pack models too. Here we got the 2011 Mini Countryman. Show you the side here. That was in the 2020 Top Gun Maverick 5-pack. Then we get the what is called here the DS21 Palace by DS Automobiles, formerly known as the I'll show you the base of another one that I have. I don't have this exact same version. By the way, I do have this one. I forgot to show you that. Exactly the same as the Top Gun Maverick version. So I don't have this particular version. I have this dark blue one with the white roof. You can see here on the base it was formerly known as the Citroën DS Goddess of 1968. And it has been retooled, and now it says on the base DS21 Palace. So licensed by DS Automobiles, which is kind of the fancy car make of Citroën, of the Stellantis group. Yeah, kind of lame, because it always was a Citroën DS. This is just, DS Automobiles is just a split off of the Citroën car make in recent years. So yeah, that's kind of weird. Anyway, this looks very much like the 2008 Best of International version. I don't have that, so I can't compare the actual colors, but probably pretty much alike. Then we've got the 2015 Range Rover Evoque. This is the same as the 2016 mainline. This was a first release of this casting. And then we got the Scania P360 fire engine in the French livery. This was in the 2021 France set and also in the global set. By the way, we get these pictures of a vehicle that is in the 5-pack. Sometimes it's not the best vehicle they put on there. In this case, the Bronco definitely is the one that should be on the box. So these are partially exclusive and partially repeats. The 1948 Jeep Willys is a new release, a 5-pack exclusive. The 1976 International Scout 4x4 is a repeat. This was in the 2020 Rocky Peaks 5-pack and also in some 9-packs. Here we got the exclusive Ford 2021 Bronco. This International E-Star from 2009 was a 2022 mainline and was also in the 9-packs. And then the MBX 4x4 was a 2019 mainline. Warn Industries celebrating 75 years of Warn. That's the theme of this 5-pack. Then we get to the MBX electric drivers. Mostly exclusives in here, all but one. Exclusive 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Also the 2020 Honda E is an exclusive for this 5-pack. But this Tesla Model X is a 2022 mainline repeat. And it was also in 2023 9-packs. I did not find the mainline, so that's a good thing. I have it, but I'll have several from the 9-packs too. That will be coming up in future videos. 2009 International E-Star again in a Matchbox livery. This is exclusive to the 5-pack. And same as this Tesla Model Y, which is exclusive to this 5-pack. On this 5-pack, for me, the Silverado should have been on here. This is the MBX Construction. This has all exclusive vehicles on here. This is in the orange and gray livery, like we also got on these singles. You see, 70 years special edition, but the singles are without clear coat, so matte orange, and the 5-pack ones are with clear coat, so glossy. MBX Construction, the MBX backhoe is, well, they're all exclusive, so I don't need to repeat that. Then we got the MBX turf hauler. Then we got the road roller. And then the Chevy Silverado 1500. Definitely my favorite in this 5-pack. Only a licensed vehicle also. And the MBX road scraper. Then we get to the MBX Wagons 2 5-pack, which has the Mini on the box, which should not be on there. It should be either the Volvo V60 or the Mercedes, because the Austin minivan is not a station wagon, it's a panel van, so it does not belong in here. These are all exclusive to this 5-pack, by the way. Even though you might think you've already seen this Mercedes-Benz W123 wagon, it was indeed in the Retro series, the Target exclusive series, but it's a slightly different orange. It has a tan interior, whereas the Target Retro one had a gray interior. And there probably will be some differences, like the license plate possibly, not sure, but yeah, it is definitely not the same. Then we got the 2011 Mini Countryman. This is a small SUV, not a wagon, so again, does not belong in here. Same as the 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. In white. I mean, it's cool we're getting new colors of these castings and new liveries, but they are in the wrong 5-pack. And the Volvo V60 wagon. They could have put a lot of other vehicles in this 5-pack that are actually wagons. I mean, just in a previous video I showed this 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring. They could have done a recolor in that, preferably in silver. And then a few videos ago I showed this new 1980 AMC Eagle. They could have done a recolor of that, and there's so many more wagons they could have used. I mean, the rest of them are all in the tub with all the wagons for the wagon video, so I did not drag all of those out, but there's plenty of wagons they could have chosen from, but they decided not to do that. Disappointing. Then we got the Blue Highways 3 5-pack. This has mostly exclusives in there. So the Polaris Slingshot is exclusive to this 5-pack. The Dodge Viper RT10 also. I mean, there has been a kind of a dark gray version in the past, but that was kind of a premium one with the rubber tires, and yeah, it's I believe this casting is also retooled since then, so it's not the same. So it counts as a new one for me. International Scout 4x4, also a exclusive. This one is a repeat, the Mazda MX-5 Miata in red. This was a new release in 2016, first release of this casting in red. And then we got the 1969 Camaro SS 396. This is also exclusive to this 5-pack. And we got another 70 years special edition. So there's also singles of these, not the same castings, but other castings in without the clear coat, so in the matte gray. And then again, the 5-pack versions get the clear coat to get the glossy treatment. Of course, these are all exclusives to this 5-pack. Obviously, it's a special edition. So we got the MBX Mission Helicopter. And we got the 1994 Chevy Caprice Classic with a chrome base. I think it's the first time we get a chrome base on this one. That's cool. And it's got the blue window piece with the light bar on top. Love that. 1989 Chevy Blazer 4x4. Same with the window piece. Excellent. The GMC Wrecker. That's been a while we've seen this, so that's lovely. It's got the orange window piece. We get the orange lights on top, which is appropriate for a Wrecker, of course. And then we get the Pierce Arrow XT fire engine. Seems like they kind of renamed this compared to previous releases. And this also has the blue window piece. So this is actually a very good one, the MBX City Drivers 2. Yeah, definitely top notch, in my opinion. Then we get the Autobahn Express 4, which has all exclusive cars in it. 1962 Volkswagen Beetle in a German police livery. Polizei! And we get the 1969 BMW 2002 in this nice blue. That's wonderful. And we get the 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe in black. The 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia, kind of a bronze. That's a nice one too. And another Mercedes-Benz W123 wagon in brown with a kind of a light cream interior. Good one. Next up is the Coffee Cruisers 4, all exclusive except for one. This is the 1932 Ford Coupe Model B, a beautiful 1941 Cadillac Series 62 convertible coupe. So they have two possibilities for this casting, either convertible or with this soft top up. And this is the soft top up version. Pretty popular model. I've never found the mainline release of last year. So yeah, definitely a winner. 1956 Aston Martin DBR1. This is the repeat. This was a 2020 mainline. As you can see, I have that. It's got the license plate front and back and the taillights and headlights. Nice model, but you know. 1970 Chevy El Camino in black. And the 1947 Chevy AD 3100 or 3100. Two pickups in here, so clearly, and a hot rod, so clearly this is yeah, definitely not my favorite one. The only one I really like is the Cadillac, and that should be on the box in my opinion. And then we end with the MBX Adventure 2, which has all exclusive vehicles in there. The only one that, well, the best one is the Toyota 4Runner, in my opinion. So that should have been on there, not this fantasy thing. So we got the Swamp Raider and the Camp Arrow Flint livery, which is a recurring theme. And then this Toyota has the Jungle Safari kind of snakeskin livery that kind of refers to the Anaconda ones, I guess. Sonora Shredder, Jungle Safari, Team Anaconda. The Geo Predator, that's also a licensed one, that's cool. Has the Anaconda name on there too. And then the 2700 Ridgeline, which is also a cool one in flat black with the Anaconda Guides Unit 4 on there. Thanks for watching.